Thanks for watching this introduction, very short introduction to LaserType. LaserType is a complete CAD/CAM package in which you can import many different type of file format between vector files and image format. You will find DXF as well as EPS, AI from Adobe Illustrators. You can also import CorelDRAW from CMX format. You can import PDF format, 3D format as well, like STEP, STL. So a very versatile package for different type of 2D and 3D files available for the importation. The software is divided in 3 different modules which are scalable. What that means? That means you can purchase each individual module separately. Starting with LaserType module, bringing all the different capability of building 2D vectors. So as an example, if you would like to do an arrow, you can directly here select the type of arrow you want to do, start it somewhere on screen, then build it visually. You can set the length over here, then the thickness of the leg, and the size of the head as such. Every vector lines that you build can be shown and edited as you can see nodes. You can drag nodes, you can double click nodes to look at the different location in X, Y, and Z. You can also modify thanks to the point mode. You have the possibility, for instance, to change the corners into different angles. You can enter here the value, you validate, and you round the shape accordingly. The capability of LaserType in terms of manufacturing is probably one of the most advanced in a way that you can deal with different aspects, what we call here the different directions and color views. If I go for instance for fill color, we can fill the object with any color we want, but we can also directly go into the graphic modes, open on the right side what we call here the possibility of graphically set up the drawing for the machining. So we have on that first column over the possibility to set up the coloration with different color preset. Those colors being also set in the machine for different speed and different intensity of the laser. And on top of that, you have the possibility to set up the hatching kind. So you have different type, as you can see here, of preset hatching that can directly be applied on the machining of your design. So vector wise, you can fully enter, if you want, a color inside and then assign different hatching. Also capable of dealing with the outside contour, such as here, as you can see, the possibility we have to set up a specific thickness on the line. So if I start to zoom over here, you can see we can build bigger and or smaller vector lines for the cut. You can also manage different aspects in terms of if you want to create straight corners or no corners. All those different capabilities are available within here the graphic mode of LaserType. So that would be here pretty much the setup for a CO2 machine using a printer spooler Windows system. You will just go on the print and then send that to the machine to mark or cut your different objects. Added to that, we have also the possibility, and that's why this is very versatile, we can drive pretty much any type of laser machine on the market. And as an example of that, we can, for instance, directly from the CAM module, the computer aided manufacturing module, generate different laser paths, such as, for instance, the laser basically setup here, where we can set either a CO2 or a YAG type of laser with different dimensions depending on the length available. And what we can do from there is actually set up either plotting lines or eventually sweeping lines within the selection made of the vectors. So as an example of that, if I go to sweeping, we can set a sweep within that dimension, and we can directly validate the computation as a path. And you can see if I'm zooming in those different areas, we will end up finding, as you can see, those paths. And those paths can be controlled with very accurate transition, such as, for instance, if we want to do an hatching, we can shave the hatching on the edge, so it can recompute everything here, and you will see directly now an hatching covering the vector line. As well, very interesting is the capability we have to create an optimization by keeping a continuous beam. So the continuous beam will allow you to avoid to have on those edges, for instance, some marking dots that you want to avoid. So as a result, you will see now a computation with a nice continuous path within the different step over that the laser has taken. It's currently computing here. Here is the path added to the shaved that is going to be set for that specific vector line that we have built earlier. And this created path, this time we are not going to send it through the print spooler of Windows, but we're going to post-process it by right-clicking on the laser, path built, and selecting the machining. And the machining here allow me to install any kind of machine. Here we have a Siemens laser controller, but that can be any type on the market. And we can directly here preview, if I want, a G-code of that specific path that we have generated. So here is in a few, I would say, minutes, an introduction to LaserType. There's many more features to look at within the video we have, but nothing replaces a specific, I would say, customized demonstration according to your applications. So do not hesitate to contact us through the form and provide us your information so we can get back to you and prepare that demonstration for you. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.